Have you ever wondered how those amazing artists manage to bring their creations to life with alcohol markers? Have you ever felt intimidated by the idea of mastering this seemingly complicated technique? Today is your lucky day. Alcohol markers are an incredibly versatile tool that can take your artistic skills to the next level, from blending colors to layering. In addition, they are much easier to use than traditional coloring methods like colored pencils, since it's faster to color your drawings. First, you need to figure out which types of markers work best together and how to choose the right paper. Here, right now, I'm using some markers from the brand Ohuhu and some sheets also from the brand Ohuhu, which are always thick. Try to use thick sheets since it's a liquid, it can wrinkle thinner sheets. Also learn how to combine colors to create new shades and achieve that desired tone. Sometimes it's not enough to use just one marker, but you need to use several to get the tone you want. Also master the skill of layering. Making one layer with markers and another layer with colored pencils is something you can do, like I did in this drawing. First, I used a layer of marker and then another layer where I used colored pencils to achieve the tone I wanted. With a little practice and patience, you'll be on your way to becoming a master of the art of coloring with markers. Did you like this video? Remember to subscribe to get more tips, tricks, and tutorials on how to draw. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so they can also discover the wonderful world of coloring with alcohol markers.